Rebound by 24. 24, BMS. Wala. Punta kay Ron. Pasa kay Arnold, tumira. Wala.
Foul number 5.
So,
First personal foul.
first personal foul, first team foul, number 5. Burns, tumira ng 3, wala. Sick ball. Tumira. Jason, 3 points. Steal. By Joey, wala. Number 13, pasa kay Eman, tumira ng 3. No good, rebound by Burns. Number 13, pasa. Nakuha ni Jason. Arnold. Hanap ng pasahan. Wala. Foul number
1.
Number 1.
First
Personal foul. Second team foul. Number 13. Pasa kay Burns. 24. We have a foul. Number one. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound by Samson. Pasa kay Burns. Number 13. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Inbound by Burns. Pasa sa ilalim. Samson. Reverse. Good. Ang magpapasahan to Requestas to Joey. To number 1, tumira, wala, but there is a foul.
Number 8.
Number 8, first shot is good. Second free throw coming. Second free throw is good as well. Official score 7-2 in favor of City. 24, pasok kay Samson. Samson, tumira, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Dark ball.
Foul number 1.
Foul number 1, sorry. Foul number 1.
Ilan na siya? First personal.
First personal, second team foul. Arnold. Pasa kay Jason. Jason, tumira. Pasok. Violation. Bola ng City. Jason. Pasa kay Arnold. Lumayak. Wala. Arnold ulit. Palabas. And give a foul. Foul 61. First personal foul. 13 foul. Sideline. Baseline. Punta kay Joey. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Fast break, pero turnover. We have That is Julian.
Sab!
Julian in, Arnold out.
Burst spade.
Joey. With rebound. Tumira si Joey. Wala. Rebound. Jason. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Grace. To Samson. To number 13. Lamay up. Pasok. Ron. To Jason. Tumira ng press. Lock. Rebound number 7. Light ball. Light ball. Number 13. Looking at there is a foul from
5-0.
there's a foul by Joey. 14 foul.
First personal.
First personal foul. 2 free throws. First free throw is good. Second free throw. Second free throw is good.
Sab.
Substitution. 6-9.
6-9.
Official scores.
6-9 in favor of 6. Substitution. 15 out. 15 in. 12 in out. Julian nagkakala. Joey. Pumasok sa loob. Lubay up. Wala. Punta kay Burns. Tumira. Pasok. Julian. Joey. Umikot. Lubay up. Wala. Seipo. Joey. Pasa sa loob. Kaya number 1. Tumira. Wala. Kaya block. Pasa kay Burns. Fast break. 2 points. Labang na po ang white and light. 10-9 is the score. Ojada, 3 points. Number 13. Rebound by Jason. Julian nagdadala, pasa kay number 1. Lumay up, labas ng check. Julian tumira ng 3, wala. Nothing but air.
Nagiinit. Julian.
13. Pasa kay Burns. Tumira ng 3, wala. Followed by number 8. Good.
Number 1.
Number 1, 3 personal fouls.
Third.
Penalty.
Basket is good yung kaya.
Basket is good.
All 12.
One free throw coming up. 15 seconds left. Free throw is good. Lamang na ang BMS ng 1 point. Nangagal na yan. Eman, pumasok sa loob. Pasa. And that's it for the first quarter. Official score, Light, BMS 13, 6, 12.
Nagka kasi natutulog. Ito, yan. Gray ball.
Ball. Kasi inom pa lang kami, alam mo na agad na game na agad.
Kala ko wala pa eh.
Hindi naman tayo behind eh.
Bagay mo na.
Ganda ng laban ng umpisa eh.
Oo. Nakatali lang ng fourth quarter.
Ang coach ang nagdala doon.
Iba talaga gumawa ng play, no? Pinapauna
Sir,
lang.
tubig namin to ah. Hindi.
Pinapauna lang.
Gray ball, gray ball.
Gray ball.
Yeah. Buka tayo na.
Atin yan.
Start of the second quarter.
Gray ball.
VLS home. Ibigay ng 3, sampai 21, wala. Sumama sa board. Nakuha ni Ron. Ron, nagkadala. Ron, napunta kay Julian. Pasa sa ilalim. Kay Jason, pasok. Number 13, directing the play. Pasa kay Paul. Pasa sa kay Ralph, number 13.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. Roll up. And we have a foul. 24. Ano yun?
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws by Ralph. First free throw is good. Tabla na tayo, 40 all.
Sige,
Next
pre.
up,
Ilan?
second free throw. Second free throw is good. Substitution. Julian out, Mata in.
Daltan agad. Malamig pa ang pawis eh.
Ron, nagdadala. Pasa kay Mata. Pasa kay Jason.
8 seconds.
8 seconds to shoot. Jason. Pumunta sa baseline.
Stepping.
Stepping on the line. Right on. Number 30. Pasa kay Samson. Number 21. Tumira ng press. Wala. Pass break. Good save.
Shot 21 seconds pa.
21 seconds, shot clock. Magod. 15 seconds. Now go. Save ball. 14 seconds. Shot clock. Inbound, Mata. To Jason tumira. Wala. Fast break. Rob, lumay up. Di pumasok, we have a foul. 24. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
2 shots for...
2 free throws. By number 28.
Wait lang, mamaya. Pagka na-shoot yung pangalawa. Sub.
Dalawa na yun eh.
Pasok.
Substitution.
Pasok na.
61 and 24. Papasok.
Tatawa na ka ni Burns, oh.
Papasok ka ba? Papasok ka.
Ay, nilabas eh. Ayaw daw palabas.
Samson out.
Ano yun, first? Second na yun.
Second ako eh.
Second free throw.
Hindi, first pa lang.
First pa lang pala, sorry.
Sorry kuya, akala ko second quarter sabi mo.
16, di ba?
Second free throw coming up. Second free throw, wala. Rebound by Begonia. Begonia. Jason, lay up. Wala. Well, sagada lang. Masa kay Emma, no? So, lay up, wala. Gagawa sa ilalim. 2 points. 2 points. Mata. Ano, bigay mata. Jason, lay up sa ilalim. Kaya, wala. Nagawa ng stick. Mata. Pasok kay Jason, pasok. Number 24, pasok kay Rob. Rob, magdadala. Rob, pumasok sa loob, tumira. Wala, pati ako foul.
First.
15, first personal foul, 13 foul. Warning.
Kaya, uy! Dito muna. Pasok muna kay Arnold. Pasok muna kay Arnold.
First free throw is good.
Wala pa. Second.
Second free throw coming up. Second free throw. Also good. Substitution. Ano now, just in.
Yung mga ikaw pala ko.
Ikaw. As a reminder, yung mga mahika o mayroong mga fritas o whatever, please remove. Begonia, punta kay Jess. Yes. Di-dribble, ang Mata.
Balik!
Mata. And we have a foul. Rob.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Okay, Jess. Begonia. Punta kay Jason.
Shot clock, 6 seconds.
6 seconds na clock. Jason, tumira, wala. Nakuha pa niya ulit. Jason, wala pa rin.
Nice!
Black ball. 2 minutes, 50 seconds left. Mata. Pasa kay Jess. Di-dribble. Punta kay Begonia. Punta kay Jess. Guarded by Good.
Dalawa yan! Wala!
Punta kay Mata. Sumira. Wala. Agaw na buwan.
May libre sa kabila! Yes!
Gray ball.
Punta dito, Jessa, punta dito. Hindi namin i-acknowledge yung ano.
Agagawan. Salo na City. Masyado malakas. Substitution.
Wala naman dito yung ano eh.
Number 1, pumasok. Labas si Kenneth. Number 24. Umasa. Punta kay Rob. Number 18, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha pa rin ang number 18. Ang gagawan. Gray ball. Layup is good. Mata, nagdadala.
Bigay
Punta
agad!
kay Jess. Balikan number 1. Layup. Pasok. Drop. The layup. We have a blocking foul, the number 11.
11 out, blocking.
Warning for penalty.
First personal.
First personal foul, fourth team foul. Burns. Balik kay Eman, balik kay Burns, sabira ng tres. Wala. Gagawan. Rod. And we have a foul by
26.
number 26. Number 28.
Second.
Second personal foul, second team foul. 25 seconds left. 14 seconds shot clock. Yes. Yes, ginagawa dyan nila.
6 seconds.
6 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. Wala.
28, third.
28.
Third.
Third personal foul, third team foul. And that's it for the second quarter. Official score
22.
22 for BMS, 18 for SIC Migration.
Man! Man!
Kayo ng bola.
Man! Papasok ba si Luke? Papasok yan?
Who's ball? Who's ball?
Bibitik
Sabi ni Kuya Peter.
Ah,
Kahit daw nasa bench lang, okay na eh.
sige, sige.
Who's ball? Who's ball?
Ito.
It's gonna be black ball.
Scary block, yeah.
SIC Migration score sa start ng third quarter. We're now in the third quarter, almost. Just wait, just wait. Wait for it. Start of the third quarter.
Black ball, black ball.
Black ball. Black ball. Change court. Junior. Pinasa sa loob. Number 1, ulikot.
Foul 24, first.
24, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots by number 1.
Para ba i-zoom to? Pero marunong ka mag-zoom nito? Marunong ka mag-zoom?
First free throw. First free throw, wala.
Wala kasi yung lens eh, hindi makita eh. Ano ba dito? Di ba ito?
Second free throw, pasok.
Okay na kuya?
Layup by 21, wala. Nagaw. Correct. Good. Number 11, Mata. Purgonya, the layup, pasok kay 11. 3-second violation. Third over. Grego.
Yaman na.
Grego. Lagay up sa loob. Bukak tumira. Pasok. We have a second point lead.
Pantal yun. Tao na, tao?
Yes, nagdadala. Kay Julian. Kay Julian, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound. Magagawan. Nakuha pa punta kay Mata. Mata. Punta kay Julian. Balik kay Mata.
6 seconds.
5 seconds. Pasok.
Sige na, sige na. Sige na.
Number 21, pasok. 7-point lead. Jesse, nagdadala. Yes. Nasundutan. Take ball. We are the turnover. Great ball. Iba. Number 13, balik. Eman. Balik kay number 13. Pasa sa ilalim, wala. Rebound, pasok. Mata, nagdadala.
Dead ball, dead ball. 10
Mata.
seconds.
Pasa kay Jess,
6 seconds.
6 seconds. Shot clock. 4 seconds. Yes, tumira, wala. Rebound. Punta kay Johnson, tumira, wala. Rebound kay Kenneth. Tumira, pasa kay number 1. Kay Jess. Jess, tumira, pasok. Score 13-23. Eman, nadala. Sa maagaw.
Sabrat.
Nuevo substitution. Pasok si Jason. Labas si Julian. Inbound. Kay Betty. Pasok sa ilalim, sa agaw. Pasa kay Jess. Tumira. Wala. Number 13.
Lifting.
Lifting. We have a lifting violation. Red over. Dark ball. Yes, ganda. Yes. Tumira. Pero pinasa kay Jason. Wala. Rebound by Samson. And we have a foul. Mata.
Second.
Second personal foul, first team foul. 5 minutes left. Pasa sa kay Samson is good. Yes, nagdadala. Pasa kay Mata, bumalik.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds.
3 seconds to shoot. Jason tumira. Tapos, nakuha ni Mata, lumay up. Pasok. Pagkasa. 2 points for BMS. Score 24-25. 9-point lead.
Nagkaka-score ko yan. Sino ka-score?
Yes, nagdadala. Mata. Lay up. Reverse. Ano yan? Substitution. Traveling violation. Turnover. Substitution. Rod in. Kenneth out.
Agaw. Mata, taas kayong dalawa. Kita ka ano? Isod. Lapit!
24, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Punta kay Rod. Ron, pasa kay Mata. Pasa kay Ron. Pasa kay number 1. Offensive foul, the number 1. Fourth personal foul.
Warning for graduate.
Warning for graduate. Number 1. Pasok si Joey. Labas si number 1.
Joey, sa ilalim ka, Joey.
We have a 9-point lead by Gray BMS. Jason, pasa kay Mata. Bumalik. Wala. BMS. And we have a foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul by Sik. Lumea pasok. Lumalayo na po.
Sige boss, sige boss.
Mata na. Yes, magkadala. Ay naagaw. Samson. Umasa ulit. Wala. Samson ulit. Wala pa rin. Samson, tinasa sa labas.
Good job, good job.
13. Bumalik. Pasok. N1.
Boss. Boss, Edward tayo.
Wait lang, wait lang. Can we sub?
Foul number 50.
Ilan na yun? Number 50? 50. Second.
Second personal foul, number 50. Joe. Bonus dito, kami. One minute left. Bonus free throw is good.
Pasok.
Substitution. Rock in. 14-point lead. Jason. Lumayap sa loob. Pasok. Wes, tinira na tres. Wala. Jesse, makadali. Yes. All the way. Pasok. 10-point lead. Shot clock is off. Samson, pasa sa ilalim, tumira, pasok. 2 seconds left, 2 seconds. And that's it. That's it for the third quarter. Official score, 41 BMS, 29 Six Migration.
Gray. Okay.
Ito kay Jason. Jason, pasa kay Kenneth. Pasa kay Jess. Yes, masyadong malakas. Turnover. Burns, tumira. Wala. Rebound, Julian. Pasa kay Jason. Jess, tumira. Pasok. 3-point shot. Wala, nagagawa. Burns. Drop. Drop. Pasa sa labas. 3-point shot. Wala.
2 second shot.
2-second shot clock. You have a foul.
Joey. Third.
Joey, third personal foul. Two shots by Rob. First free throw. Pasok. 11-point lead. Second free throw. Violation. Turnover. Yes, turnover. Yes. Jason, tumira. Wala. Jason pa rin. Pasok. Score 42-33. Favor of BMS. 9-point lead. 15 seconds. 3-point shot. The Braves. Yes. Screen to me. Layup. Wala. Di ako foul. Fifteen, foul by number 15. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot is good. First free throw. Second free throw coming up. Second free throw, Papoy, pumasok. 10-point lead. Now go. Yes, nakuha yung bola. Substitution. Substitution. Matay going down.
Buka na agad tao!
Bola sa try na. Rock. Leading to go. Rock. Doon tayo. Wala.
Wala mo shot.
Julian. Punta kayo guys. Julian, tumira ng 3, in and out. Gagawa. Punta kayo ba? Rock, nag-dribble. Pumasok sa loob. Layup. No good. Punta kay Julian. Jason. Lumay up. Wala. We have a foul.
Borra. Number 15. Second.
Second team foul. Sorry, second personal foul.
Second team.
Second team foul. 2 free throws coming up. First free throw is good. Second free throw is also good. Free throw score 45-37. 8-point lead. 8-point lead. Wins. Tingnan pa ako.
Sub next rep.
Kabila.
Lapit! Yan!
Agaw. Agaw ulit. Wins.
6 seconds.
6 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. Lumay up. Pasok.
Pas! Pas!
Mata. 10-point lead. Mata. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha nila. Agaw. Borgonya. Ito kay Jason. Jason, tumira ng 3. Pasok! Oo nga.
Lapit, son.
Tumira si Burns. Wala. Nagagawa. Ito kay Burns ulit. Tumira up. Wala pa rin. Tumira ulit. Wala pa rin. Burns, tumira ulit. Wala. Pagbiya pa pa ako. 24.
Fourth.
Fourth. Personal foul. Warning for guard break.
Pasok, pasok.
Substitution.
Apat na si Jason ha.
3 minutes, 20 seconds left.
Naubos.
First free throw. Pasok. Second free throw coming up.
Rebound.
Second free throw is good. Pistol score 49-40, favor of PMS. Stop clock na po tayo. Stop clock na. Yes. Masok sa loob. Lumay up. Wala. Ako pa rin ang 6. Jason tumira. Wala pa rin. Layup by Samson is good. Mata. We have 9-point lead. 15 seconds. Jess. Tumira. In and out. Rob, nagdadala. Rob. We have a foul. By number 11.
Third.
Third personal foul, 13 foul. Tumira ng 3. In and out. Reverse layup by Burns. Wala. Samson. Pasok. Next up. Yes. And we have a foul.
Second.
Second personal foul. 13 foul. Substitution. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Umikot si number 1. And we have a foul.
Second.
24 second personal foul. Penalty.
Wala pa. 6 seconds to shoot.
6 seconds to shoot. Agaw. Samson. Pasok kay Ram. Pasok kay number 8. Pasok. Pasok kay Yes. Yes. Kay Ron, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nagagawa. Yes. Tumira, pasok. Agaw. One minute, 13 seconds. 1 minute, 11 seconds left of the ball game.
Graduate.
Graduate na po. Number 1.
Sub.
Substitution. 1 minute, 11 seconds. 13.8.
Sige lang, dalhin mo na mamaya.
Rest.
Okay na, dalhin mo na lang. Dalhin mo na.
57 seconds. Agaw. 18. Lumay up. Pasok. Uy. Agaw. Nabasan na rin. Punta kay Lumay up. Wala. Yung foul.
Number?
15.
Second.
Second personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. 2 free throws coming up. 40 seconds left. First free throw. Pasok. Go, nagkanda na. 27 seconds. Punta kay Arnold. Titira ng 3. Wala. Eman, tumira ng 3. Lopay up, Palilu. Wala pa rin. Ito pa kay Jess. 18 seconds. Yes, tumira ng 3. Wala. 2 points.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
And that's it.
Hey, man!
Official score 63 VMS, 44 Sig Migration.